5 common foods that are bad for your dog. 2. Garlic. Garlic is a great spice for human food, but it can be very harmful to dogs. Garlic contains an ingredient called thiosulfate, which helps regulate blood pressure in humans. But too much of it can cause low blood pressure and anemia in dogs by destroying red blood cells, decreasing their ability to carry oxygen throughout your dog's body. It can also cause the cells within a dog's body to burst, causing internal bleeding and tissue damage. And go check out the full video on our channel.